Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add subtitles in a different language using CapCut on MacBook. For example, if your video is in English but you want to add Russian, Hindi or any other language subtitles, you can easily do it in CapCut. So to do this, first open CapCut and import your video. Then drag the video to the timeline. After that, go to the Captions option. Once you click on Captions, you'll see two options. The first one is spoken language and the second one is bilingual captions. In spoken language, you select the language that is actually spoken in your video. For example, if your video is in English, you'll see select English there. Then in bilingual caption, you can choose the language you want your subtitles to appear in, such as Russian, Hindi or any other language. After selecting the languages, click on Generate and then CapCut will automatically generate the subtitles. Now you can adjust and sync them on the timeline if needed. And you can also change the font size and position to make the subtitles look more clear and professional. And that's it. That's how you can add and align different language subtitle in CapCut on MacBook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.